Managing fleet inspections, tire performance, inventory, and compliance manually is complex, time-consuming, and risky. Photon software proudly introduces its own fully developed tire management system platform, built entirely by Photon, designed for control, developed for performance. This is not a third-party tool. This is 100% Photon. The Photon TMS platform consists of two integrated modules: Admin Platform, Inspection Module. There is no public mobile app. Everything runs securely within the Photon-controlled ecosystem. Admin manages, inspection captures, both sync in real time. Here is how the system works. Step 1. The inspector logs into the inspection module. Step 2. Tire data, pressure readings, tread depth, and vehicle details are captured. Step 3. The information instantly syncs to the admin dashboard. Step 4. Managers monitor, analyze, and take action. Everything is centralized. Everything is traceable. Everything is controlled. Admin users access the system through a secure web login. Role-based authentication ensures that only authorized personnel can view or manage data. Security is built in at every level. The admin dashboard provides a real-time overview of total tires, active vehicles, inspection status, alerts and exceptions, inventory health. Visual charts display tire status distribution. Managers can instantly identify underinflated tires, repairs, or retired assets. This is your command center. 1. Tire inventory management. Track every tire from procurement to retirement. Tire ID, brand and size, status, assignment history, complete audit trail. Every tire has a digital lifecycle record. 2. Vehicle and fleet management. Register vehicles, map tire positions, FL, FR, RL, RR, spare. Monitor inspection history. Track odometer readings, full visibility across the entire fleet. 3. Trip management. Track vehicle usage, monitor mileage, trigger maintenance alerts. Usage data connects directly to tire wear analytics. 4. Purchase orders and supplier management. Create and approve purchase orders, receive inventory, automatically update stock, track supplier performance. Procurement becomes structured and traceable. 5. Reports and analytics generate tire performance reports, fleet inspection summary, inventory reports, procurement reports. Export to PDF or Excel for leadership review. The platform transforms raw inspection data into actionable decisions. 6. System settings, user management, role assignment, threshold configuration, supplier setup, brand and size master data. Admin controls the entire ecosystem. Inspectors log in using secure credentials. The interface is clean and structured to guide every inspection step. Step 1. Select vehicle. Inspector chooses vehicle from list. Step 2. Tire position selection. Visual axle diagram shows tire positions. Inspector selects FL, FR, RL, R, or spare. Step 3. Tire details. Review system displays pre-mapped tire information, tire ID, size, status, previous inspection data. Step 4. Measurement entry. Inspector records, air pressure, PSI, target pressure, tread depth measurements. Groove pressure system validates values against configured thresholds. If pressure is below limits, alerts are triggered automatically. Step 5. Save and sync inspection data instantly syncs to admin dashboard. No paperwork, no manual entry, no delays. The moment inspection is completed, admin sees it live. Issues are flagged immediately. Managers can take corrective action without waiting for reports. 100% developed by Photon software. Fully controlled architecture, no third-party dependency, secure role-based access, real-time synchronization, complete tire lifecycle tracking, built for enterprise fleet operations. This is not a generic solution. This is Photon's own platform. Photon Software's TMS platform delivers structure, visibility, and operational control across your fleet. From inspection to analytics, from procurement to retirement, from field to management. One system, two modules, total control. Photon TMS.